Alright dudes, as you can see behind me, we got the 2 valve again.
Catch 'em all.
Go ahead and show you. I cleaned it up a little bit. Pretty much pressure washed it. It looks hella better all the way around. Anyway, it's gonna be a short video. I say that, I may have, anyways. So I've done a few things off camera. I have adjusted the clutch cable, which was one of the big issues I was having. It works pretty good now. We'll see when it's driven. I had to pick some wires back up because they were hanging, and I put loom on them, or conduct, can't remember what that stuff's called. Put that on it, hung it back up. I will tell y'all, I got pretty blasted on that power cable. If you see it hanging right there, I got blasted on that as a shitty install, and I'm gonna have to agree with y'all. So that will be getting redone. That will be getting redone. I'm glad y'all pointed it out. Sometimes YouTube, y'all hurt, but truth hurts sometimes, right? Anyway, assessing on the wire damage. I'm gonna get a pigtail for here. I looked at the other wires. Basically, I'm just gonna lay the wire back down, like right here, because it's not but a few little pieces of wire chewed through. Lay it back down in there and put liquid tape on it and re-wrap them. And that's just like these right here. These weren't even, just they got the sheath off of it. I'm gonna do the same, wrap them. This one right here, same, wrap it. You'll never know when we start doing stuff with it if something's wrong with volts and signals and all. We'll go back and figure it out, but I highly doubt that we'll have any issues. What we're gonna be doing today is putting the pulley bridge back on, and I may go ahead and route the belt back on. And y'all were right, that wire right here, I am very positive this is for the oil pressure. I don't know if y'all remember, but it's in a few videos back. I am pretty certain that, I don't know if y'all can see it, but this wire right here that was hanging down here, the other one was for the that was for the oil pressure sensor, and the other one was the O2 sensor for the front on the factory manifolds. I routed it back there. I'm gonna tie it up right with the correct clips and all that. It's on there now. I went to put the AC on, finish hooking it up, but right here, I'm pretty sure there's supposed to be some grommets in there, and they're not. So I'm not putting it on until I get those, and then it'll be hung and everything will be hooked back up. This car will have AC. It had perfect working AC when I bought it. Great AC. Good car. Shouldn't have damn started working on it. Should have just drove it, put nitrous on it, and had fun with it. Anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and put this pulley bridge back on today. Maybe get the AC put back on. Just wanted to give y'all a little update of what I found. So I haven't found any more chewed wires under the hood. So everything looks good. I went over it with a flashlight and all. I kind of skimmed over the inside. It looked good, but I'm gonna go back through there again and just make sure. Obviously, it will tell on us if there's some chew, because shit won't work. Anyway, without further ado, let's put this pulley bridge back on. I had to take the 2 bolts off the tensioner for the blower belt, because of this little bolt right here goes into the block back there. Hard to show you. Don't even think I could if I had a light. So you have to do that, let it swing down, get that, and then once you put the tensioner on, as you can see, it covers that bolt. So oh, and I had to take the coil off because it was in the way of this one right here that goes into the head. Take that one off, and I had to take this little bolt that holds the bracket on for the coils. So that's about where we're at. Trying to see if I can angle y'all to get this in here. That's it. I'm gonna sit y'all down and go ahead and put this 1 bolt back in. I'm probably not gonna tighten it because it's where the alternator actually bolts into this too. So I'm just gonna get it in here to hold this. That's about it. Alright guys, that's going to conclude this video. It's already quite long. As you can see, I didn't really clean under the hood because, you know, last time I did, water got in there and locked the motor down, and I had to, yeah, so ain't no water in this motor. So but that's it guys. Hope y'all enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe. Do Mustangs.